Well, welcome back. So today we're going to focus on taking a variable and adding it to an input that we might have. Okay, so and we're going to also talk about how we can actually make a variable doesn't necessarily have to have an input. So let's just say that we're going to create a variable called, we'll just call it CS, because we're going to actually type this in here. And I'm going to go ahead and say computer, oops, oh my goodness, struggling with the typing today. Okay, so computer science. And then I'm going to say computer science it is. And then we're going to play a little game here called pick your adjective, right? So we're going to actually use an input, and we'll just call it adjective. And we'll do the whole input thing here. And please enter your adjective. Okay. And so down here we have CS, and here's computer science is. So this is going to be a variable that we have because we have this. And then we're going to print this off. And so let's go ahead and do print. And we're going to say CS. So it's going to take computer science is. And we're going to concatenate that, put that together with the adjective. And really the way we did this, now we could remove this space here, and that's probably what we should do just to keep this, add the space in down here. Okay, so we're going to do CS, so it's going to type in computer science is, place it down here, we're going to add a space to this, and then we're going to add this adjective that whatever we enter. So if we run this, please enter your adjective, and we're going to say awesome. Okay, so hit enter. It says computer science is awesome. And then, you know, after that, maybe we want to put an exclamation point after this. So we're going to go ahead and put our quotation mark in here again, and then just put that, and add exclamation point. So if we run this again, we're going to say amazing. There's our, you know, we take our, it's going to take this text right here, that's what this is. And then it's going to add our adjective that is right here. And then, of course, we're adding in this space that's right here. It's right in front of the amazing. And then we're going to have the exclamation point right here. So this is just taking a variable, and you can do this with any variable. We're just assigning it a value, and that value is going to be this text. Later on, we're going to kind of get into numbers and things like that, you know, and you can take a variable and give it a number, so then you can do some math with it. So this is just text, and then we're going to have our input, please enter your adjective, and then we're going to print that all out with this right here. All right, just kind of a quick one today. Hopefully that helps you and explains a little bit of how we take, you know, a variable that we actually give it a value, and then we're going to have an input that's going to be part of a variable, and then kind of put those all together using the concatenation symbols. Okay, hopefully this helped you, and good luck on your coding.